Hello, welcome to the another episode of the Flutter Bootcamp. Here we will create a basic form where we have the username, password and the submit button. And we will decorate the form with a box and we will place a button which will reveal and hide the password. So without wasting the more time, let us create a project. The project name is basic form. Let's check that project is created correctly or not. So the project is created correctly. Now I will open the project in Android Studio. Now the project is created correctly. Now I will start making the project. I will delete the ready-made project. And I will add my project here. Okay, so the form is basically a stateful widget because it having the text area where the user have to write the value and the value will change on it will change on what I say, it will change dynamically. Okay, so I will create a stateful widget. For that, let the stateful widget name is basic form. I will call the basic form from here. Boom, the things are working fine. Okay, now first of all we will discuss the design, and after discussing the design we will write a code. Okay, so this is the design which we are going to create. This design start with the main screen of the project. This is the main screen of the project, which can be made by the scaffold widget. By this widget we are going to create a what I say, we are going to create a project. So this is going to be the root widget. First we will create this, and after that we will create the title bar. The title bar name is sign in form. Okay, and then we will create the body. So first of all we will create the scaffold component. Okay, let's check. So we have created the scaffold component, and after that we will create the app bar. We will create the app bar. Okay. Let's refresh it. Now we have successfully created the app bar component. After that we will create body. We will create this body. Now we have successfully created the body. We have successfully created the body. Inside the body we will add a form widget. Okay, now I am going to add a form widget. Form widget required a child. I will add a column. Okay, now I have added a form widget. I have completed a form widget. Okay, so to validate the form we will manage a variable. We will manage a variable called form data. Okay, let us check in the tutorial. We will manage a variable called form data. Form in Flutter. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I will manage a form data with yes, I will manage a variable. I will manage a variable form key. Okay, so this variable is responsible to validate the form. It is responsible to validate the form. I will add this validation to here. Okay, it will validate the form. Okay, now inside the column I will add children's. Okay, my first children's will be the username. Okay, I will add a widget. That widget is the text field. I will add a widget called text field. Okay, let's refresh the code. Yeah, you can see that I have added a text field. Okay, After that I will little customize this text field. I will place this container inside a row. Okay. Okay. So this is what the username. I have added the username. Okay, this is the first text field I have added. Now after that what I will do, I will give decoration. Input box decoration. Okay, there I will give icon. Okay, okay, I will give the icon. I will give the hint. Okay, and after that I will give label. Yeah, so I have given the hint, I have given the label, and I have given the icon. Okay, but in the design, but if you check the design, okay, so inside the design that the text area is around the box. Okay, so I will add the border here. Okay, let me add the border here. I will add the border here also. So let me add border. Yeah, this is the text field. Okay, let me Google it. How to add border in text field in Flutter. So let me add the border. Okay, so I will add the border. Where I'm going wrong, where I'm going wrong. This is the border. Outline input border. Okay, so I will add a border here. Yes, so we have completed the username. Okay, after the username I will add a button. Okay, so I will add a button. Yeah, here I will add a button first. So the elevation button, and the child is submit. Okay, yes, this is the button. Okay, and inside the press button I will check if yes. I will check that the form is validate or not. So I will add this, and current state is validate or not. Yes. Okay, so the form data is placing. Okay, but you will check that there is no validation. When if I write something and I click on the button, the data is processing. If I write nothing, then also the data is processing. So in both of the case the form is validated. In both of the case the validation returns the true value. Okay, in both of the case the validation returns the true value, and which is not true. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will add validation here. I will add validation in the text field. Validator. Okay, I will add a validator here. The validator is let me check it again. Yeah, so I will write, please enter the username. Okay, now when I click on the button, it will say please enter the username. Okay, so I will make a same field for the password. I will make the same field for the password. So for the password, I will repeat this code. For the password, I will repeat this row. Okay. I think I did something wrong. Yeah, I have to add column here. Yeah. Now this will be for the username and this will be for the password. Okay. And what I will do, I will add a margin of 5 here, and I will add margin of 5 here also. Okay, so this will be for the username and this will be for the password. So let us make this for the password. I will change the label to the password, enter the password. Okay, and this will be the password. Yes, now this is the username. Okay, this is the password. Okay, yeah, everything is working fine. If I not enter the password, then it will say enter the password. Okay, when I enter the password, it is working. It is working. But the thing is that I have to hide the password. Okay, so to hide the password, what I will do, object the password is equal to true. Now again, let me write the username Rajendra and the password root. Yes, it is working. Okay, it is working. Now after that, I have to add here a button which will reveal the password and which will hide the password. Okay, so what I will do, first of all, I will make a boolean here. Boolean here, let's say reveal, and I will make its value default true. Okay, I will pass this value to object is equal to reveal, and here I will add suffix icon. I think I have to add the suffix icon inside the decorator. Okay, so this is a decorator, and here I will add a suffix icon button. Okay, I will add a suffix icon button. Okay, where I will add icon and then icons hide. Okay, let me check. Yes. I think I need to increase the value of form, make it 300. Okay. Yes. Now I have to make a little tweaking here. I have to set state if reveal is true, I will make reveal is equal to false. Okay, else I will make reveal is equal to true. Let's yeah, now it is working. Okay, now I have to change the image. Okay, so I will use a ternary operator here. Okay, so the ternary operator is like reveal if reveal is true, then I will add the icon hide, and if reveal is false, then I will add the icon hide image outlined. Let's check it is working or not. Yes, it is working. So boom, we have completed the form, the basic single form. Okay, and in the basic single form we have 3 of the widget. The first one is called the username, and another one is called the password, and one button. Okay, so the username is basically a text area. The username is basically a text area or the text field which have the input decorator. The input decorator is responsible to create the icon, the person icon. It is responsible to create the label, and it is responsible to create the hint. Okay, You can see it is responsible to create the label, it is responsible to create the hint, and it is responsible to create the icon. Okay, and the border around the text form field is created by this outline input border. Okay, and the validation on the username is given by the validator. Okay, it is just given by the validator, and same with the password text form field. Okay, here the input decorator is used to give the label to the text form field, and the hint is given by the input decorator, and the icon is given by the input decorator. And because this is the form, this is the password text field, so for that we have to make the obscure text value true. Okay, so when I will make this value true, so the whatever the value I will write here, it will be hidden. Okay, and when I will make this value false, whatever I will write here, it will be revealed. So I handle this thing with the help of the icon button. I add here the icon button as a suffix button. Okay, and I use one boolean. The name of the boolean is reveal, and the default value of the boolean is true, so that whatever I will write here will be hidden. And when I click on the button, okay, the boolean value got changed. Okay, and the password become reveal. Okay, so this is the basic form which is just created by me, and I have to check the validation. Yeah, this validation is the message of the validation is wrong. I have to add the validation. Please enter the password. Yeah, no, I have to, I think I have to refresh this. After that, when I will write it here, yeah, please enter the password. Boom. So I have completed this tutorial. I hope you like the content, and if you like the content, then please like my channel, subscribe my channel, and wait for the second video, which will be the little advance of the form. Thank you very much.